Get into a car with value. 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.